How to add hyperlink in PowerPoint. First of all, you have to open up PowerPoint. Now, if you already have a presentation where you want to add the hyperlink, you can open up that presentation, or here we will do on a blank presentation. So click on blank presentation. After that, you can add your text right here. Now, if you want to add hyperlink to this text, you have to copy the text. Once you have copied the text, navigate to this toolbar at the top of this interface, and from there, click on Insert from the top left corner. Now here you have to click on Link from this section right here that says Add a Hyperlink. Click on it. Now, on this address bar, you have to type in the hyperlink that you want to add in your presentation. For example, let's say I want to add the Facebook hyperlink. So for that, I would just type in www.facebook.com, and once you're done typing in the address, click on OK. Now the hyperlink has been added. You can go to the presentation view, and once you click here, this page will gonna pop up in this interface. So that's how you can add hyperlink on presentation or PowerPoint. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.